My name's Zach, and I help non-techie people bring their software ideas to life. And today we're going to be vibe coding a super simple, clean Linktree site. So when you click the link in my bio, you see that on a lot of people's Instagram profiles, that kind of thing. We're going to recreate that with vibe coding, and I've got a prompt for you guys. It's going to be super simple, and you're going to be able to do this completely for free and be able to have it ready to go today. So stick with me throughout this video and I will show you exactly how to do that. So this is what it looks like on my desktop. I have actually connected it to my domain, zachbabiarz.com. I have the link in the description below if you guys want to check it out yourself. But this is what it looks like on mobile. And it's really clean, really simple. Has my name, my title, and my go-to links. And I like how it hovers and kind of glows a little bit as you go over each link. So I'm going to show you exactly how to do this. And you can get creative and make it any colors you want. You can make any animations you want. You can make it unique, different fonts, photos, all that cool stuff. I'm going to show you how to do that right now. So the first thing you're going to do is go to a website that I vibe coded called itlworkshop.com and create your free account. Completely free. And the link is in the description below to go here. And I'm going to show you why you need to go here because I actually stored the prompt in here for you guys. So go ahead, sign in. I'm going to sign in with my account. And what this is like a toolkit for everything you need to know if you're a vibe coder. All the quick links to Supabase, Bolt, AI Surfer, Mastermind, GitHub. And you can join the community and YouTube channel and things like that as well. You can explore these links on your own, but let's get into it. I created this to help you make it super duper simple to build apps, build websites, build really cool techie shit, right? And this is for non-techies, people that don't know how to code, people that don't know a bunch of stuff. I made it very, very simple because I don't know how to code, but I'm able to build this type of stuff and you will be able to as well. So I made this site for helping you build your app ideas, but today we are going to use a pre-made prompt. So if you log in, you click pre-made prompts. I have a Linktree lookalike. If you know what Linktree is, it's something you can pay for to have what we're going to create today for free. But I'm going to be adding more prompts in the future. But right now, I just have one. And you'll have your prompt here that's going to help you structure this. This is going to be your foundational prompt you'll paste right into your IDE. And all you're going to do is copy this and change a couple things, right? You'll add your name here. You'll add your button name, your website link name that you want to send the person to. And that's basically it. Everything in brackets here is what you'll change. Okay. So then you're going to copy all this, put your name in there and the buttons and the links you want to go to and your photo. And then you're going to use this prompt and you can hit copy right here. So this is the prompt. You can just hit copy to go to your clipboard. If you want to expand this a little bit, you could hit enhance my prompt even more. And that will just take you to a GPT I created that you can just paste your prompt in here from ITL Workshop. And it'll ask you some more questions to get it more clarified, but you don't have to do that. You can just copy this and take it right into Bolt. So bolt.new is one of my personal favorite IDEs, internal development environments right now. There's a lot of them. There's like 20 different ones you can choose from. This one's the most simple, the best for beginners. There are other ones that are more advanced. You can do more advanced things, but I think this is the simplest, cleanest, easiest one to use. So we'll use Bolt. So I've already gone ahead and created one that has my links in it. So make sure you do that before you paste it into Bolt. But mine will be here. I'll paste it right into here, but I already added my web links and my name and everything. So make sure you do that first. And then you're ready to go. You'll just hit go. Now what Bolt's going to do is start coding everything for you. It's going to think what you just prompted it to do and then go to work and start coding. So you don't need to know how to code. That's the beauty of this. You just need to know how to speak English and know how to maybe take some screenshots and give some context to Bolt. And it will create pretty much anything you want. It's pretty amazing. And especially simple stuff like this that anyone can do. I don't care if you're brand new to vibe coding, brand new to AI stuff. This is not that hard. Anyone can copy and paste a prompt. Okay, so it's coding it up. It'll generate a preview. It may look similar to the one I showed you, a little bit different because I cleaned up the prompt a little bit, but when it's ready, I'm just going to hit refresh because it looks like it finished. Sometimes you got to refresh it for the preview, and it's going to go ahead and show me a preview. Boom, there you go. Not too shabby. So this is that's clean. That's pretty clean. And what's cool is that you can keep prompting it. Like if you want to add more buttons, you want to change the button colors, you want to change the photo, whatever it is, you can literally just prompt it to change. So if I want to add another button, let's say I want to add my YouTube channel, right? So I'll go grab my YouTube channel link at the top. And if you haven't subscribed yet, PS, please subscribe, like, comment. I'm new, trying to help more people. And the more people that support me, the more I can create more videos. So go ahead, copy whatever link you're trying to copy. And just say, hey, create me another button underneath the free AI automation call button that says my YouTube channel, and have it direct the user to this web link. And I'll paste it and enter. So now it should create another button right underneath here, and it will, boom, there you go. So if I click it, let's find out what happens. It goes right to my YouTube just like I wanted. Amazing. And let's say I want to change the colors. Like, can you make the buttons all different colors and glow a bit more with icons on the left of the buttons that represent the words more? And then I'll go in and maybe kind of fix some of the spelling. It's usually pretty good at understanding what you're trying to say. Let's see what happens. And the more specific you are, the better output you're going to get. Just like whatever you do to input, if it's crappy, you're going to get crappy output. If it's good, it's going to be a good output. So like it's all about that. But I'm just trying to show you the basics here. Cool. Now I got some more flair to it, some more colors. Added some icons that I would recommend. Icons that seems a little bit more enticing. And I'm pretty much done. It's that simple. If you wanted to add more animations or any other flair to it, you could. But this is pretty much good to go. And let's say I'm done. I want to make it go live now. How do I do that? Really simple. If you're new to Bolt, you should have enough free credits to at least build this so you don't have to pay anything. But you could upgrade for 20 bucks a month for the pro plan. That's the cost of it now, which is still a great deal. But you should have enough credits just to do this. And you can go up here and hit publish. For me, I'm already connected to Netlify. But if I hit publish, let's find out what happens. It should connect me to this website called Netlify. It's automatically going to do it. You may have to create a Netlify account if you don't have one yet. It's really simple. It's free. And there we go. Now it's published. It's that easy. So if I go to this link, copy the link, paste it at the top, boom. I can actually paste this into my Google or my Instagram bio or anywhere, or send it, and it'll work completely fine. If I wanted to connect a domain to it, I would log into Netlify, and I've connected a domain to a few different websites here already, but that's all I would do, and that's free as well. So if you already have the domain, great, just connect it to your Netlify project, and then it won't take long. It'll be live with that domain, and you'll have a completely free Linktree for your Instagram bio, everything like that. So let's just make sure this works. No Code Creators community. Amazing. And if you guys haven't yet, join my No Code Creators community. I got dark mode there for you. I'm hosting free workshops, vibe sessions. We just come in, we vibe, we talk about cool tools we found. I answer questions. We share stuff we've built. We have a lot of fun. We just vibe in. And then I have a 101. So every Wednesday, basics 101 vibe coding. This is a highly paid, highly valuable skill. If you don't know how to do this yet, or you're just starting, I will help you advance that, because you're going to be able to create really cool shit for people. You can sell automations, sell apps, sell websites, whatever it may be, and you can use AI to help you build it all without knowing how to code. So go ahead, join my community, introduce yourself, even book a call with me at Creative Jam Sesh. We'll jam. This is all free right now. I don't know what it's going to look like in the future, but as of right now, it's free. And appreciate you guys for checking this out. Go ahead, make your Linktree website, comment below, let me know what it looks like. I want to check it out. Give me a link to it. Let me see what it looks like. I want to see what you guys come up with. I think it'll be really cool to see. And if you join the group, hey, share your project or idea in here so I can see what that looks like, anything you're working on. So appreciate you guys, and keep vibing.